Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change birthday on Snapchat. So to change your birthday on Snapchat, open Snapchat. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Next, scroll down a bit until you see birthday under my account section. So click birthday. Now select your correct birth date. So you can change it at the bottom. You can change the month, date, and year. Then click continue, or you can enable birthday party. So click continue and click OK to save the action.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And that's basically it. So again, open Snapchat, then click your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, click the settings icon in the top right. Next, scroll down under my account and select birthday and choose your correct birth date and tap continue or save if prompted. Now, if you can't change it, so if you're under 18, changing your birthday may affect certain features in age restricted content. If the birthday field is locked or unavailable, there isn't a way to bypass the restriction through the app. So Snapchat limits how often you can change your birthday. If you've changed it recently, you may have to wait before changing it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching.